Hello, greetings from Boundary TV. Today's news alert is Priyanka Gandhi arrested. What about her brother Rahul? Indian farmers are protesting against a bill, and it has been approximately 1 year and 2 months. But no result yet. You all are well aware of that protest, right? But recently something happened. What was it? Where did the incident take place? Let me share the details with you. On 3rd October in Lakhimpur Kheri, Uttar Pradesh, farmers were staging a protest with black flags in their hands for their rights and this disapproval of the bill. And also because of what was spoken in a recent speech by the Union Minister Ajay Mishra, which did not go well with the farmers. But after some time, when the convoy of Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son reached there, the whole protest turned into violence. The minister's SUV raced over 4 farmers abruptly. In the whole clash, 4 more workers of BJP were killed too. See the visuals. This is really shocking. In CM Yogi's governance, no other party's political leaders were allowed to go there. Section 144 was imposed in that area, which means you are not allowed to go out. But Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi was desperate to help the victims' family, and so she headed out to meet them. But after nearly a 5-hour chase, the cops detained Priyanka Gandhi and she is being kept under house arrest in Lucknow. She claimed that she was arrested without an order or FIR. She has been accused for violating Section 144 of the Indian Penal Code for disrupting peace. Meanwhile, CM Yogi Adityanath has claimed 45 lakh compensation and government jobs to the families of the victims and 10 lakh compensation to those injured. But the other farmers were protesting for the dismissal of the union minister and the arrest of his son. Eventually, on 6th October, the Uttar Pradesh government has given permission to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to visit Lakhimpur Kheri. So he landed in Lucknow. They can go in a group but not more than 5 members. After this incident, internet services were reportedly shut for few hours, which was then restored later.